Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick review about this AI tools platform, which is MATLAB. So to get started, MATLAB in 2025 continues to stand out as a powerhouse for engineers, scientists, and researchers who need high-level numerical computing and rapid prototyping. The new release brings a modern WebGL graphics engine, improved live editors widget, and enhanced AI features like quick deep learning model export and embedded deployment. It helps designers make creating interactive tools easier, while rich toolboxes for signal processing and control system and stimulation keep it a go-to in a technical field. For users who want an all-in-one environment with professional visualization and domain-specific depth, MATLAB still delivers. On the downside, MATLAB's licensing remains expensive compared to free alternatives like Python, and it can feel heavy on resources for large projects. Some users find the transition to new UI elements takes time, and outside of the engineering-focused work, its appeal is limited. And here's about the conclusion. MATLAB is worth the hype in 2025 if you are in a technical field that benefits from its specialized toolboxes and published workflow. Just be ready for the cost and the learning curve. And that's it. Hope you find the review a little bit more helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.